BMW has officially introduced the world to the brand new BMW iX2, marking the arrival of the second generation of this model. The iX2 now offers an all-electric option, in addition to the traditional gasoline and diesel variants that carry the X2 nameplate. Similar to its predecessor, which made its debut the previous year, the iX2 boasts a sleek coupe-like design and comes with a single powertrain option called the iX2 xDrive 30. This powertrain combines a dual-motor setup for all-wheel drive with a high-voltage battery boasting a 64 8-kilowatt-hour capacity. The combined power output of the iX2 is an impressive 313 horsepower, including a temporary boost function. The torque figure clocks in at 364 pound-feet. With a fully charged battery, the iX2 offers a range between 259 miles and 279 miles, making it slightly more efficient than the SUV-like iX1, which is rated at a maximum of 272 miles according to the WLTP cycle. Acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour takes just 5.6 seconds, and the top speed reaches 111 miles per hour. Charging the iX2 is a breeze, with the capability for DC fast charging at rates of up to 130 kilowatts. The standard onboard AC charger can provide up to 11 kilowatt, taking the battery from empty to full in 6.5 hours. An optional 22 kilowatt three-phase AC charger is available, reducing the charging time to just 3 hours and 45 minutes. When utilizing DC power at its maximum rate, the iX2 can charge from 10 to 80% in just 29 minutes. The iX2 also incorporates predictive thermal management for its high-voltage battery. This feature activates automatically when using the built-in navigation system, ensuring that the battery is preconditioned before each DC fast charge. Additionally, the iX2 utilizes the latest max performance charging software, which optimizes charging efficiency by allowing the highest power rate to reach the battery right from the start, even when the state of charge is below 50%. BMW touts the iX2 as a premium compact sports activity coupe, and it offers the option of an illuminated kidney grille, reminiscent of the larger X6. LED headlights come as standard equipment. Compared to the previous generation, the rear end of the iX2 has undergone a complete redesign. The roofline now flows gracefully into the rear, creating a sporty and characteristic silhouette that's typical of BMW's sports activity coupes. Inside, the iX2 comes equipped with a standard dual-zone automatic climate control system and a heat pump for improved efficiency in colder weather. Bluetooth, cloud-based GPS navigation, and a 6-speaker sound system with an amplifier are part of the base package. For those who desire more, there's an optional BMW Operating System 9 with a pair of 10.25-inch and 10.7-inch displays. The trunk offers a spacious volume ranging from 525 to 1,400 liters, depending on the position of the rear seat. The iX2 measures 179.2 inches in length, 72.6 inches in width, and 61.4 inches in height. It weighs 4,453 pounds. Production is slated to commence at BMW's Regensburg plant in Germany soon, with European deliveries expected to start in March 2024. While a second all-electric version is scheduled to arrive in the summer of 2024, the iX2 EV won't be available in the United States for the foreseeable future. However, its ICE-powered counterpart will be offered in various trim levels in the US market.